ghost on a red song. In a shared space with my shareholders, cause we share bond. Spiritual healthcare, that's real self-care, you won't care for. Then live in the faith, then walk in your grace and give it back. You know the story, the glory is God's, and that's why I never can get attached. Cause he could be forming and keeping it dormant, not good enough, gotta get rid of that. The single was wrong with forgiveness, I wanted to give it. In fact, if I didn't, it kill me, that's worth my pop. And I love you, we came a long way, and I'm finally admitting that. Son of a woman who brought me to God. Son of a woman that loved me so much that for me she be ready to die. Married a woman that loved me enough to be patient, but I did not know how to trust. I was thinking I better go open the numbers and fuck it, I'm ready to try. Yeah, I did that. Name on the lead, so fuck it, I'm doing the most for sure. I did that. Fucking these hoes, I know when the plot of they souls, the boast and did that. You know the coast is contra, prayer from prosper, nigga, we did that. Levels to this shit, man. Ain't gotta get to the highest of levels, and levels of this shit, man. Hearts like kettle in this shit, man. Several, some of them might be gang, cause them the real boys, who knows, you might be the pedal in this bitch, man. Get your money, then get out the game, and settle in this bitch, man. I'm in red form. Niggas that know me as best as saying it's red form. Breaking new ground, I'm tearing for it. Sharing my essence and losing my precious. The future is now, I'm clear for it. Find a direction to share the message, I feel like it sounds too flamboyant. I'm in red form. In a red state, such a red case on a red song. In a shared space with my shareholders, cause we share bond. The love is like that. I left my shadow in the dark. My future too bright to block a nigga like shit shady enough. Moving according to God's plan. I had my plan. Nah, wisdom, listen for wisdom. I look for that sound. Melodies I can match now. Freedom singing in the background, doing backgrounds. Yes, we living in harmony, bless the mic now. I start with this shit that I write now. We speaking this shit into life now, speaking life now. Yeah, men hit around, we lay in the booth. Shit speak loud, you keeping on mute. Sitting in silence, not in their head proof. Y'all right down, talking a whole lot of nothing, but don't you know nothing? These people is tired of that shit, that like that substance. That's why we bustin', we really inspired. When we get it back, they show us love, we give it back. I recommend that you get it back. Not all of us rich, but who said you niggas was broke? Black is an African resource. I think this shit is a joke. The chains and diamonds, nigga, we used to it. The minerals ain't nothing new to us. Don't you know trees recruit for us? The breathe, our family trees, they literally root for us. The leaves that turn to new for us. The fruits of the labor produce for us, that produce for us. I produce for us, and I rap for us, and I write for us. Judge trying to ghost right for us, giving niggas bars just to call it a rap. Good night for us, so I fight for us. You got the strength to fight yours. Promise the power within you is rare.